To erase all of the information stored on Orbi, you can perform a hard reset. This will erase all user data, including maps, cleaning schedules, cleaning history, and any other customized cleaning data recorded on Orbi. To do a hard reset, remove Orbi from his charging station and ensure he's powered on. The hard reset is embedded in Orbi as one of his home checkup test steps. To put Orbi in checkup mode, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons simultaneously for a few seconds until the bot says,
Home checkup mode activated.
In this mode, Orbi's LiDAR sensor will rotate. Do not perform a complete home checkup test. Instead, press the Wi-Fi button 6 times until you hear
Reset device.
Then press Go. Orbi's data is now being erased. Wait a minute or so as Orbi goes through erasing the data and rebooting himself. Once Orbi has rebooted and the screen lights up again, the hard reset is complete.